Hello, lovely people. Welcome to my channel. We got this dining table with the chairs on the marketplace and want to keep them in our own house. It was a huge project to repaint the table and 6 chairs. And I haven't recorded all of it. In this video, I want to show you how I have done the 2-color wet distressing and how I enhance the colors with the pearlescent glaze. For this project, I am using Annie Sloan's Country Grey and Dark Egg Blue chalk paint. I have painted the chairs with 2 coats of Dark Egg Blue. You probably noticed that I use a lot of dark egg blue paint in my projects. We are in the process of renovating our own French country house, and I am repainting the furniture for our own use. I am using a dark egg blue color palette for our sitting dining room. I love the soft, muted blue color with a green undertone to it. I let the first 2 coats to dry overnight and painted the 3rd coat of a country grey. When the paint is still fresh, I am ever so slightly distressing it with wet cloth. You can distress as much as you want, just to show the other color which is underneath or all the way to the wood. Just keep in mind that the paint and the cloth have to be wet. Stay tuned to see what I am going to do next with the chair. The table I have painted a bit differently. I used 2 coats of a country grey as a base color and then a paint wash with a dark egg blue. It looks a bit plain, and normally I would think of applying a dark wax to make the details to stand out. But today I decided to give this furniture a bit of a glamour with the Pearlescent Glaze by Annie Sloan. I am dry brushing the curves with the glaze as I would just brush with a normal chalk paint. I take very little to my brush, load it off, and slightly brush over the high points. You can see how the glaze catches the light and enhances the paint, making the curves standing out. I love especially how it turned out on this unique feet of the table. Then I have painted the trim of the table with the glaze. Here you can see how the glaze looks on the light color. And here I am applying the glaze on the top of the darker color. The pearl glaze is transparent. It just adds a glow to the colors which are underneath it. And as you can see here, it catches the light beautifully. I also upholstered the chairs. And here it is the new dining set for our new dining room. Thank you so much for watching. If you are interested in more fun techniques with chalk paint, please subscribe. And if you have any questions, please ask in the comments below.